So this workflow is going to be triggered when a certain column in a Google Sheet is being changed. For example, this column. Now it is triggered. What it does is to get the website URL that it receives and then analyze certain information that exists on the website, which is then put into a scoring system to check if that company is a qualified lead or not for my business. Step by step, the webhook receives certain information like the website URL from Google Sheet. Then it sets a variable with that URL. Then we have an LLM node, which basically analyzes the website truly, goes through all the pages, and it returns a structured output with certain information that I need further in the next steps. The next step is an AI agent, which uses Google Serve API to retrieve Google reviews, the average rating of the reviews, and the business name of the company that owns the website. Then it updates some information in the Google Sheet, and then here is the part where it actually computes the logic of the lead scoring to qualify it. I have my rules in place, and then it outputs the lead score. In this case, it's 85 out of 100, and the priority is high. So this is a very good lead. Then it updates the worksheet again, and then it sends an email with the fact that the workflow is done.